Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best pickleball paddles that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Rallymeister Pickleball Paddle Deluxe Bundle. Rallymeister Pickleball Paddle is said to be one of the top wood paddles available in today's market. It features an incredible performance that is loved by most players out there. Furthermore, it features a lightweight design than most wood paddles and an excellent cushioned grip for pinpoint accuracy during a match. This is a basic pickleball set. I bought 2 sets and they work great. If you're going to do this all the time, no, it is not for you. Get yourself a good racket. But if it is for a few times a year or for the kids going to play with it, it is the perfect set. They can toss them and scrape the ground with them, and who cares? At number 4, Gamma Sports 2.0. When it comes to pickleball paddles, Gamma Sports 2.0 is well known for being extremely functional. This USAPA-approved pickleball paddle is light in weight and offers incredible ball control with pinpoint accuracy. Gamma's heaviest paddle, the Atomic 2.0 pickleball paddle, is perfect for power players, providing a stable feel and power on all strokes. The textured fiberglass surfaces provide greater feedback for accurate placement on any shot. The Atomic is the perfect choice for hard-hitting players looking to put a little extra wallop into their game. At number 3, Rally Graphite. Rally Graphite Pickleball Paddle is a high-quality paddle that goes for a highly affordable price. It was designed to offer incredible playability and maximum durability. It is designed from superior strength material that eliminates denting and dinging. The honeycomb in the paddle started to break down and I had a soft spot in the middle top of my paddle. Then I was playing today and hit a shot and the whole handle broke away from the paddle at the neck. At number 2, Head Fiberglass Pickleball Paddle. The Head Fiberglass Pickleball Paddle is ideal for an array of players. It is equipped with dynamic power shape for a great sweet spot as well as thicker OTC honeycomb core for perfect playability. Furthermore, it features a super lightweight design, and it is incredibly durable. About the paddle perfect for a wide range of players, the Radical Elite features the same dynamic power shape for a larger sweet spot and a thicker OTC honeycomb core for great playability. At number 1, Onyx Graphite Z5 Graphite Carbon Fiber. The Onyx Graphite Z5 is one of the most popular pickleball paddles in the Onyx line. This is due to its outstanding touch as well as ball control. It features a face that offers players a great feel of the ball. The best part is that it is equipped with a relatively lightweight design weight of approximately 7.5 to 8.2 ounces. The Onyx Graphite Z5 is the most popular paddle in the Onyx line because of its outstanding touch and ball control. The graphite face and Nomex core give players superior feel of the ball, and with a total paddle weight of 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the Z5 strikes a perfect balance between power and speed. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.